Hello everybody. Hello everybody. I just did the oil change in this Honda Fit 2012 again, and I'm gonna reset the oil life warning to 100% with no help of YouTube. So I'm gonna try to figure it out. I remember I did it once and it worked charming. So this time I don't remember how I did it. So I'm gonna try to do it again by memory. I don't remember how it works. So here goes nothing. All right, so first, insert key in ignition. We're gonna like just not start it, just go into on, and there it is, oil life 10%, and there's this little button here. So I'm gonna see how it works. I'm gonna press for about what, 10 seconds or so. Nothing's happening. I'm gonna let go. Oh, it's blinking. So now what do we do? See, it's blinking. It's blinking. Do I pull it? Do I move it? Do I press again? Okay, do I press brakes? I'm pressing the brakes. Oh! Okay, so this is what I did. I pressed this button again, and then I pressed the brakes, and then magically did this. It turned into 100% oil life. Woo! So I don't know what I did. So give it a try. Let me know if it works for you. If it didn't, tell me how it is done. I don't want to go and look at a YouTube video, so I just figured it out on my own with what I have here. So this is it. This is just a memory. Now I gotta figure it out. Now I'm gonna turn on the car. There you go. There's the oil life. I got there was a little range there, so probably that was the warning. Now let's go back. Pretty cool. Seems like it's working pretty good. So all right, this is it. Thanks for watching. Here goes nothing. Trying something by memory, learned from YouTube long time ago. So have a great day. See you guys later. Take care. Bye. 54049.